Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can link your GitHub in your LinkedIn profile. So first of all, you'll have to copy your GitHub link, and to do that you'll have to go to GitHub and log in with your account, and then you'll have to press on your profile and then go to your profile and you can see the link here. You'll have to copy this one. Then we'll go to LinkedIn, and this is the home page. We'll have to press on our profile icon, as you can see here, me. So it will open a drop down and we'll have to press on view profile. So after that we'll have to press this edit button, which is the pencil icon. Press here. After that what we'll have to do is in this edit intro tab, we'll have to scroll down, and as you can see here there is a website tab here. What we'll have to do is simply paste the link of our GitHub, and simply you can write a text here. You can write GitHub here as well. So press save, and as you can see the GitHub is already here. If I press on the GitHub, it will open and take me to our GitHub link. So this is how you can easily add your GitHub link on your LinkedIn profile. That was all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.